BMW M5 2025. The 2025 BMW M5 continues its tradition as a high-performance version of the 5 Series sedan, but now exclusively as a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, with a V8 engine and an electric motor. Despite the controversial hybrid setup, it delivers impressive stats: 717 horsepower, a top speed of up to 190 mph, and an estimated electric range of 25 miles. The M5 remains true to its sports sedan roots with features like adaptive dampers, optional carbon ceramic brakes, and multiple drive modes that offer a range from mild to wild. The 2025 BMW M5 features a new plug-in hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine with an electric motor and an 8-speed automatic transmission, producing 717 horsepower, 100 more than the previous model's V8. It retains standard all-wheel drive with various drive modes, including a rear-wheel drive biased drift mode. Standard features include adaptive dampers, rear-wheel steering, and large brakes. Although it offers powerful acceleration, a prototype test on a racetrack revealed that its increased weight makes it less agile in corners compared to its predecessor. The 2025 BMW M5's cabin mirrors the 5 Series sedan, but features distinct upgrades such as an M-specific flat-bottom steering wheel with customizable M buttons, large shift paddles, and sporty seats for better support during aggressive driving. Unique lighting elements and screen animations enhance its sporty feel, with various leather, wood, and aluminum trim options available. It maintains the same 5-seat layout, iDrive control knob, and large display screens as the 5 Series. Standard equipment includes a panoramic sunroof and a Bowers & Wilkins audio system, with an optional lightweight carbon fiber roof that removes the sunroof. The M5 also boasts a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch central infotainment touchscreen, both running BMW's iDrive 8.5 software, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional connectivity options like video streaming and gaming are available when the car is parked. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.